I want to show you my office, and one of the really cool features I just installed on my office door is this fingerprint doorknob. So here is my office. This is where I work. I've got my computer, my equipment, my studio, everything set up. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. I wasn't expecting company. So you unlock it by pushing your finger onto the pad there, and well, it's got to be shut here. So you put your finger onto the pad here, and then it unlocks. And then in a couple seconds, it will lock again. It'll lock again after I leave, so I don't have to worry about constantly locking and unlocking it. So now it's locked again. Another feature here is that you can download the app with it, and then you can unlock it from the app. So that's a really cool feature. Getting it all set up is super easy. Installing it is just like any other doorknob. It comes with everything that you need to install it. Of course, the doorknobs, the inner components, the strike pad there, another one over here. So it's got everything that you need to install the doorknob. Then you can go ahead and change the settings here on the back. So if you just want it unlocked and you don't want it to lock, but if you leave it unlocked, it will lock automatically. So every time you leave, it will lock, so you don't have to worry about that. It does charge. So here on the bottom, there is a charging port here. It's USB-C. And it does have a keyhole there, and it does come with keys. So if it runs out of battery or it's just not recognizing your fingerprint, you can go ahead and unlock it, so you don't have to worry that you're going to be locked out. Of course, you can put it on any door that you wanted. I just wanted to test it out here on my office, so that's where I went ahead and started with this one. But I think it's really cool, great technology. And then of course, you do get alerts on the app, so you know when somebody has gone into a door or at least accessed the doorknob, so you will get notifications for that. So super easy project. You can install it. Takes about a couple of minutes, 15 minutes if you're struggling, 10 minutes if you kind of know what you're doing. Really quick and easy. So hopefully you thought that was as cool as I did. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to check out some other videos. I'll see you in the next one.